Alright, I'm back. So yesterday's video, I didn't. Well, I recorded yesterday's video. I thought I just lost it, but I didn't up. I forgot to upload it. Well, it was taking too long to export, bro. Being honest. But yesterday, bro, we were basically just stuck in this, bro. Like we were stuck in this, and I wasn't really trying to wait it out. So I literally just trail TP. We got hit. The trade would have eventually. No, it wouldn't even have hit. Yeah, it wouldn't even have hit. This shit is. Oh wait, no, it's okay. No, it would have hit. It was just taking too long, bro. But anyways, what the bro? We must have news or something. Nah, no news today. Oh, 9:30 open candle. Alright. But yeah, yesterday we did. We got back our debt. We made like 400 something dollars. We took a L on one trade, and then we bounced back on the next trade. But let's hurry and get to work. Work out the chart. I got class again today, so if this is anything like yesterday, where I was able to get, how ironic, I was able to get into a trade literally before class. Well, not even before class, but before 10. We can get in a trade before 10. We're cool, but if not, it is what it is. So let's go ahead, get these session highs and lows marked out. So the 27th is today. Asia open right here. Come down, and then. All right, this London. This is. Let me turn it back now. All right, that's Asia low. Um, oh, please tell me this is Asia's high. Yep, it is. All right, we have equal highs at Asia high, so liquidity is bound to get there. Come down, come down. We have London low right here. 8. And it's pre-market, so this would be London high. Well, no, London high is at what, 3? London's at 3. Yeah, so this would be London. All right, so we got Asia and London high. All right, so now we already swept these lows. We already swept these lows pre-market, so it's like, what the fuck? What do we do now? Wait, 1 hour special. We already swept this, so we'll be targeting here. Down here. Move that there. And we'll be targeting here as well. These lows, these 3 lows. And then we have up here these highs. So, nah, nah. All right, now we go to the 4 hour. And this one right here. This is a 4 hour high as well. So is this. So we can make that purple. And this one. All right. Same with this one as well. All right. So we already took out So we have a lot of markers. Don't worry about those. Just worry about these. So we already swept London High in pre-market. We already came through, swept London High pre-market. Then we came down, swept Asia low, and then we swept London low. So now it's like we're going up. I'm thinking bullish. Yeah, I'm thinking bullish on the 1 day. On the 1 day, we're literally gathering to go higher. I think this is bullish. Yeah, I like bullish on this. On the 4 hour, what are we? Trying to look on the 4 hour. Looks like we're tapping into this fair value gap on the 4 hour. Tapping into this fair value gap right here. Price already wicked through it. On the 1 hour, same thing. Fair value gap. The price already wicked through. 30-minute screen though, so we just literally had a liquidity sweep. Now go to the 5-minute. Wait. I like longs. I want to take longs. Bless me. But yeah, yesterday, we went long yesterday. The first trade, we got stopped out. That was some BS. And then the second trade we took was more like it. Than like that was literally how the first trade was supposed to play out, but market just was just acting weird. So we re-entered, and then yeah, we made some good money off of it. We could have. It was a $1,300 trade in total if we hit all three take profits, but bro, like we were literally just like the price action was so bad yesterday. Like I couldn't, you know what I'm saying? And then I also didn't want to. Well, I didn't mind leaving the trade running because we hit take profit one, but because I was floating in profit like enough to clear my debt and get me another cash out pay eligible day, I trailed stop loss to like 250 something, like 260, which was around the Asia high. And then price came back down and swept me out, stopped me out, hit my trail stop loss. But if I left take profit at break even, we would have been cool. So I probably should have did that, but I'm not even complaining, bro. That trade wouldn't have hit like it took the whole like day in the New York market for that trade to not even get like, well, it got close, but like to even get close to hitting like this 4 hour high that we had marked out. So I didn't even bother really doing anything for real. But this just looks like just straight manipulation. Um Manipulation. Now we need to wait for the accumulation. All right, so just gotta wait for price to break and pull higher. And I feel like we're gonna get that. I feel like if we can get this up here, we can get a closure above here. That'll really start setting things in the right direction. Then we can start looking for an entry because we're gonna go higher. We already swept these lows. We already swept London high. So it's like, okay, if we can get in the entry, we'll have take profit one at Asia high, take profit two at this 4 hour high, and then take profit three. Take profit three is a little bit of a ways to go, but it'll most definitely hit. So yeah, most def feeling longs. I wonder, can you do? No, oh, I thought you could do. Wait, actually, let me see. Yeah, you can't. Uh, this is just ridiculous. But I'm not gonna rush an entry. If I'm not in a trade by 9:45, I'm just pack it up and get to class, and then I'll try to do something there. And then after class, my class is only 50 minutes long, so I get out of class at 10:50. So yeah, but we could be going bearish. Um, if we get momentum to the downside here for break of structure, for women to break a structure, but it won't really be valid. I don't really like looking at 1 minute break of structures anymore. I like looking at 5 minute break of structures. So they're just a little bit more valid, a little bit more reliable. You feel me? So we could get a closure above, just above London low, right here, right? Just get a closure just above here, literally here or here in this range. That lets me know that okay, price is moving, price is gonna possibly start moving in the right direction. If we for sure get a closure above here, that's how I know okay, we're looking golden. Or we get strong bullish momentum past here. It's like okay, we're looking good now. But right now, this is just I don't know what the fuck this is. This is dog shit. We just need to wait for a break. We need a break or something. Let me check ES. Like I said, well, I don't know if this recorded because I lost some of the footage. Well, I didn't lose any of the footage from yesterday. I accidentally forgot to start recording again yesterday. So that's my fault. But I saved you guys. I literally saved you guys like so much time. That shit was horrible to watch. But let's look at, I want to start, whoa, NASDAQ is lagging. Yeah, so, yeah, NASDAQ is lagging. So that means we have SMT to these lows. I'm not the best at SMT yet. I'm still like learning it, but we have SMT to these lows, right? This is our SMT. So that means these lows are protected. So that wait, bro, shit. I don't know if I use it right or anything. I just started learning it, but I'm pretty sure longs are protected from these lows or should be protected. Nasdaq is lagging, so we should be straight. This dumbass magnet, dude. I don't know how to mark it out. Bear with me, but I think yeah. But we have a bullish S&T. Or wait, is it bullish or bearish? I gotta go finish watching the videos, but I know what I do know is though this means we can go long because NQ, I mean, the S&P 500 is all the way up here and it's taking off, and Nasdaq is still down here chopping people out. So that's even more of a confluence that we're gonna go long. We just have to be patient and find an entry. So I'm not even stressing it. I don't think we're gonna get a closure below these lows. I don't think anything is gonna close below here. I think this is our S&T. Mm, nah, I probably didn't do that right. Yeah, I probably didn't do that right, but long should still long should be good. We just need to get something to move in our favor. But it is 9:45. It's 9:44. But we are on the lagging index today. So everything's going to be a little slower. But I wouldn't mind trading ES. ES is moving pretty good. I don't have any draws on liquidity marked out on ES though. That's the thing. I don't want to like rush a trade either. Let me see. Let me go to the 1 hour, see if I can mark out anything. Just 1 hour. Equal highs right here that we could take out on ES. Yeah, I'm low key liking ES. I'm low key liking ES. I'm not gonna lie. Nasdaq is lagging behind. ES is picking it up. We could trade ES today. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a possibility because we have these equal highs right here, which are bound. Well, we have two equal highs that we can target plus our final take profit. But I don't want to rush anything, especially being since I don't know why while NQ is still going down. ES might be the lagging one, so we might have a bearish SMT actually to these highs. So it might be the other way around. I don't know. Let's see. I need something to. I need NQ to show me something. Like, is there a liquidity sweep somewhere that we could possibly get? Yeah, so if we sweep this liquidity right here with these equal lows, yeah, if we can sweep these equal lows and get a reversal reaction, that'll be perfectly fine. But I have to go to class right now. I'm gonna leave for class, guys. I'm not trying to be late. So I'm gonna be back to you guys around 9:50. I mean, not 9:50, around 10:50. So a little bit, an hour from now. All right. Quick. I think we might be getting an entry, so I just started back recording. Um, looking at ES. Bro? What's wrong with mine? Just looking at ES. All right, we were chopping, but on the ES, we're still going back up, especially on the day. We might be getting our entry. Trying to see. I think this is short, bro. I think we're just shorting the day, honestly. I don't know. Let's see. We're going to see from these lows to these highs. We're in equilibrium right now. We have the SMT. Nah. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna go to class. I'm not trading this. Uh, I'll see what happens when I get back. All right. I just got back from class, but while I was in class, I entered a trade. Um, Trade is going pretty good. Thing is, only one problem. I don't think there's enough volatility in the market for this trade to cash fully. So right now. We have take profit one sitting at Asia high. I probably should have set a partial to London, but it is what it is. This is a $1,900 trade. Um, Straight here, targeting this 4 hour high. I don't think price has enough to get there. So we're probably gonna be in this trade for a minute. I move stop to break even. I just want to see take profit one get hit though. That's the thing. I just want to see TP1 get hit. If TP1 gets hit, we're perfectly fine, and we secure profits rather than me just closing out, taking the 620. The 630 does look nice though, but I'd rather just take profit. Rather take profit one get hit, and then all right, we could trail it up. Some shit. But, I just want to see if we got back all the way up here, we can get back up here again. I'm not really worried too much about it, but it's just the price action right now is just slowing down. So I don't think we have enough in us to even get there. That's what I'm trying to say. We gotta hope for like a new candle to come and bring something. Because this 15-minute candle is fucking ass. Like, take profit one has to get hit eventually. So the confluences for this trade were all right. We got the breaker structure right here to the down to the upside. This is it right here. So we got a breaker structure right here. Boom. So now it's like okay. And I was like, all right, we could start looking long. Bro, I might just close it honestly. I don't want to go against my rules, but depending on how it's looking by the time I'm done explaining, we'll see. But all right. So bam, we got the breaker structure to the upside. All right, cool. Now I was looking for entries. Now like I'm like, okay, I gotta find an entry on some shit, right? So fair value gap. What is it? Fair value gap right here. Got tapped into. We respected it. We shot right back up. Price held right here for a while. Then I was literally just waiting for a break, waiting for some type of bullish momentum. This candle literally shot up. No, this candle shot up and then it came all the way back down. I was gonna enter off this candle and I was like, okay, never mind, right? But then this next candle, it was green. This next candle shot up. Then I waited for a retracement back down into equilibrium. It came back down to the equilibrium because equilibrium was still right where my entry is. So I said, all right, fuck it. I'm gonna enter. Hit buy. Stop was right here at the bottom of this fair value gap in case we inversed it. So that's where the trade would be wrong. Um, and then yeah, I had I'm pretty sure I had three confluence. I had breaker structure, I had equilibrium, and I had fair value gap. And then I also somewhat had SMT divergence because if we were over to ES was already up here. ES took out these highs. Ah, oh my god! See, this is I could have took that trade on ES. All take profits would have been hit. So ES was taking out these highs, moving higher and shit like that. And while Nasdaq was still like all the way down here. Like as you can see, like look at this time. This is 1018. Well, let's see. Yeah, 1002, 1018, right? Look at ES. This is ES at 10 around 10 o'clock, right? Right, 1010, all the way up here. Super highly bullish. And this is Nasdaq. Nasdaq all the way down here in the slums until we started getting some momentum. I don't want to close this trade, but I think I'm just gonna take my money and go. Because we're not getting anything in our favor. If this handle closes red, I'm gonna close it. I really want to let this trade ride, but I also don't want to like leave money on the table. I really don't. So what I'm thinking about doing is I don't want to go against my trading rules. Like my trading rules are leave stop loss. I moved my stop loss up because like we're all the way up here and we're holding this level pretty well. But my trading rules are leave stop loss. Once we move stop loss to break even, move stop loss to break even once take profit one gets hit, or once we enter like a break even zone, like a zone break even zone. What I call it a break even zone. That's basically like a zone that you have a zone that you're comfortable with, where you know price won't come back down. Like, and if it does come back down, it's a reversal. But so yeah, we hit our break even zone up here above Asia lows. We've been holding this level pretty well. Only two candle closures below it, and the second one was pushing up into it. Um, so I just moved my stop to break even, but I want to trail my stop loss, but I don't like. I want this trade to play out, like no matter what, because I did that yesterday, and although yesterday was literally dog shit, like bro, we were in that trade for like you guys. Trust me, you guys are lucky I lost that footage yesterday. But bro, we entered yesterday we entered around our trade. We entered our trade like shortly. This was our trade yesterday. We entered right here yesterday. You'll see in the video. We entered right here. This was take profit one. No, this was take profit one. Where we are, where we entered in at. Oh, how much of a coincidence? This is take profit one. Take profit two was up here or somewhere around here. It wasn't too far from TP one. And like, bro, and this 4 hour high right here was our final take profit. And like, bro, if I held it, I mean, yeah, we got close to hitting it. So we would have got stopped out right when market closed, but we wouldn't have hit it. But I don't want to do that with this trade. I just want to let this trade ride. But I also don't want to leave our money on the table. So if we get hit, take profit one, that would be swimmingly well because I have secured profits on the day. Like, you know what I'm saying? But I don't want to, like, I want to move my stop loss here, right? Let's say I move it here, right? And we come get stopped out and we only make $400 today. But say right after it stops me out, it goes and it hits where take profit one was going to hit. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. I'm just going to let it ride, honestly. Yeah, but I really want to just take this, but bro, I don't know, man. I let market, like, my rule is let the market exit me. So either we hit a stop loss or we hit a take profit. I know, I know we could go. I know we can hit this. I know we could go hit TP1, bro. Like, it's not even that bad. No, dude. Let me see. I mean, it's not even that far. It's not even like that big of a move from here. TP1 is literally Asia high. This is a $900 trade. Mm, if I move my actual take profit here. I know you guys are going to say I'm looking at the money. Damn right I am looking at the money. But that's because I'm right. You know what I'm saying? The main mission for today, the main mission every day is be right. And I was already right already. So now I can start looking at the money. You know what I'm saying? How do I want to reward myself for being correct? I think I'm gonna leave it the same, honestly. Like we're gonna hit it, bro. It's just when are we gonna hit it is the question. What are we doing on higher time frames? So the 1 hour. All right. Hopefully this new 1 hour candle that's about to come out, it's about to open. Hopefully this one gives us the push we need. We got 10 seconds on it. Hopefully it gives us the juice we need to take profit one and then go hit TP2. It's 4 hours still. Has fucking 3 more hours on it. Am I cool with four? Man, I just want to take profit one to get hit, honestly. I'm not cool with 400, but it wouldn't be the end of the world. So I'm gonna just leave it there. Whatever happens, happens. Because most likely, if we come down below here, we're gonna get reversed. I guess it's probably gonna be a reversal. We come down below these lows. But this is gonna be once take profit one hits. I'm just gonna leave my stop here. Honestly, I know we're gonna hit TP one. I know we're gonna hit it. I know we're getting it. I do have to go to the post office. I got some things I gotta mail. Bro, if this turns red, what the fuck, dude? Yo, this is ridiculous, bro. I can't sit here and watch this. But bro, I'll come back at the end of the day and just let you guys know what happened. Either we I don't know, bro. I can't sit here and watch this shit, bro. This is horrific. But I'm not gonna close the trade. So we already secured $452.50 on the day. So we go to last week, $450. We're up like $752. Just good. We're up 900 right now if we close, which a lot of you are probably saying, hey, just close the trade. Just close the trade. But I got faith. I got faith, bro. I got faith. I got faith. I know we're gonna hit it. But I got homework to do. I gotta go hit the math lab for like freaking 30 minutes. Um and I gotta go eat too. I'm pretty hungry and go to the gym and then have another class at 3. So um I'm gonna end the video here. I'll probably like just come back and do a checkup like at the end of the day when market closes. Because that's probably when this trade will close, especially if we start climbing higher. Um but yeah. I'll see you guys until then. All right, I'm back from running errands. Um, literally, bro, very long trade. Like this trade is completely dead. Um, I'm reversing off of hitting Asia highs. But I trailed stop loss. I ended up trailing my stop loss from break even to the bottom of this candle. No, 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 no. Trailed it to like right here, right here. This candle stopped me out, and it's so crazy that this candle stopped me out, and then this shit literally reversed and went and hit take profit one. But still went on a day. We're up 450 for the day. Come to the performance stats. We are now up 756 total on the account. And we also are up positive on the week now. 64. We're up $64 on the week after losing 581 on Monday. Horrible trade day. I should not have traded Monday. But we turned everything around. Um, like I said, yesterday's video, I still have it. I'm about to upload it, so you guys can get a double upload today. But yeah, man, tomorrow will be a normal trading day. Um, really nothing else to say, bro. Price action has been pretty bad this week, so I got to catch some better moves. But yeah, have a great day. Stay safe, stay blessed.